Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to see if someone unfriended you on Snapchat. It's a common question, so let's dive right in. If someone unfriended you on Snapchat, here's what you can do. Go to your profile by scrolling down, click on My Friends. If the person unfriended you, you won't find them in the list. However, keep in mind that they might have also blocked you. In that case, you won't be able to find them in the search field. For a demonstration, I will unfriend an account and switch to another to show you the result. As you can see in this account where I have unfriended the other account, it no longer appears in the friends list. So if this information was helpful for you, please give the video a thumb up and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.